Okay, today we're going to be making a folder in your Google Drive and also 3 subfolders. So first you're going to go to your apps button, you're going to go to your Google Drive, which I'm in. You're going to click new folder. I'm going to name this one big folder. Create it. It's going to pop up here. Double click it. I don't know why I've been having to re-upload the screen before I double click. So then you're going to double click your big folder and then you're going to click new. This is how you're going to make your subfolder. So I'm going to go back to folder, sub folder 1, create, and then here's your first subfolder inside your big folder. And you're going to do the same thing. Subfolder 2, create, and then you have your second subfolder here. And then same thing for the third subfolder. 3, create. You could also go into your subfolder 3 and create an even subbier folder. So now we have a subfolder inside of a subfolder inside of a big folder. So here's your big folder. Here's your second folder, and then here's your third subfolder here. And then you could just drop whatever files you want. Let's see, we go to our drive here. And if you wanted to add your annual budget to the big folder, drop it in there. Open up your big folder. Now you have your annual budget. And then if we want to put it in our subfolder 3, drop it in there. If you open up your subfolder 3, you can drop it in your even smaller folder inside of subfolder 3. And now you can see in our third opened up subfolder, inside the subfolder, inside the bigger folder, we have our annual budget here.